How to connect Messenger to Instagram. First, open your Messenger app and click the three lines on the upper left portion of the screen. Then click Settings. Then scroll down to find Meta Account Center and click See More in Account Center. After that, click Connected Experiences. Click Add Accounts. Then make sure to tick the circle of the Instagram account you want your Messenger to be connected to. Then just click Continue. Just read everything here, and once you're finished, just click Yes. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Instagram to your Messenger account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.